Howdy folks, I'm Josh. I'm a security analyst over here at GoSearch. Today I'm going to teach you guys a little about resource verification. Resource verification is a way that we optimize our search results. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out a resource to verify. Let's say GoSearch privacy policy. This is something I worked on recently. So while the engine is querying and getting results for us, we see the first document it pulled up is the GoSearch privacy policy. Now, because I worked on it, I know this is the right document. So let's go ahead and verify it. We click these three buttons here. We can click verify or deprecate. Now, because this is the right document, I'll click verify. But if this was the wrong document, and say for Go links or Go profiles, we could hit deprecate. That way it doesn't show up anymore. All users are able to go through this process. So once I click verify, this submits it for admin or moderator review. You'll see here over on the left we have this one notification that says verification. So if I'm a moderator or an admin, I'll be able to click over here, see the pending request, and say, okay, this GoSearch privacy policy, let us verify this is the correct document. Or deny it if it's not the right. We'll go ahead and click verify and close that out. You'll see it's stored here with a bunch of other documents that have been verified. And if somebody chose to deprecate it, it would be stored here. At any time, you're able to undo a verification or a deprecation. That's all I got for you guys today in terms of document verification. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned something.